संसारदावा नलनितलोका त्रणय कारुण्यकनाकनत्वम् तस्य कल्याणगुणार्णवस्यां वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणरविन्दम् महाप्रभु कीर्तनृत्यगीतां वादित्रमार्चान् मनसोरसेन रोमाञ्चकां पाश्रुतरङ्गभाजम् वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणरविन्दम् श्रीविग्रहाराधननित्यनानां शृङ्गारतन्मन्दिरमार्चनादं युक्तस्य भक्तांश्च नियुञ्जतोऽपि वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणरविन्दम् चतुर्विधा श्रीं भगवत्प्रसादं स्वादान्नत्रयुक्तां हरिभक्त्यसङ्गं कृत्वैव तृप्तिं भजत सदैवम् वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणरविन्दम् श्रीराधिका मां तवयोरपायोर्माधुर्यलीला गुणरूपनाम्नां प्रतीक्षणास्वादनलोलुपस्य वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणरविन्दम्. Shri Guru is like an auspicious cloud, giving us Bhagavan Krishna. He's always in this internal energy, in this internal plane. Internal plane. He actually doesn't have material mind. It's not that he's purifying his mind. He doesn't have material mind. It's only spiritual mind. Spiritual body has spiritual mind. Purifying a conditioned mind is one thing. Where your Krishna is one thing. But having a spiritual mind altogether, when the material mind is dismantled, that is something else. So Shri Guru, he has a Siddha Deha, right? Spiritual mind, everything spiritual body. So in that spiritual body, Siddha Deha, he's always engaged in the loving service of Bhagavan. Bhagavan in the Nama, Bhagavan in the Shri Vigraha, and Bhagavan Bhagavan in the heart of all living entities. He sees Bhagavan in the heart of all living entities, not Paramatma. So in this way, Shri Guru is always engaged in the loving service. And every moment he's busy relishing being in this internal state with Shri Shri Radha Madhava, being with Bhagavan, Rupa Guna Leela. When you are with a person, with Bhagavan, and there is Rupa Guna Leela already anyway. So in that state, there is no difference between Nama, Rupa Guna Leela, because all is Bhagavan, everything is Bhagavan. So in this way, every moment he is with Bhagavan. And he's Radhika Priyasaki. And the very same Radhika Priyasaki came as Krishna Kripa Shri Murti, Sadhu Guru, personification mercy of Bhagavan. Nikunjayo no Radhikeli Siddhai Ayali Bir Yukti Rapekshaniya Tatrati Daksha Tativallabhasya Vande Guru Shri Charanarvindam Sakshat Haretvena Samasta Shastre Yuktastada Bhavyatena Sadbhihi Kintu Prabhuya Priyaiva Tasya Vande Guru Shri Charanarvindam. Bhakti is so personal. Everything is a person in Bhakti. Sandhini Shakti is a person, Ahladini Shakti is a person, and the mellows of Rasa are also personal, very personal. And we can't simply call it as Sandhini Shakti also. It gets personal. Like Radhika Presaki has come specifically for each person in the form of a person. That Sandhini Shakti has come, Sadhguru, to give us personal seva to Bhagavan. Yasya prasado Bhagavat prasadam, Yasya prasado Nagati kutopi, Dhyayam tuvam tasya yasya trisandhyam, Vande Guru Shri Charanarvindam. In this way, the Kripa of Bhagavan is so much coming as Krishna Kripa Shri Murti, personification of mercy of Bhagavan. Shri Guru Pyo Namaha. Shri Guru Charana Padmam Kevala Bhakati Sadmam Bandamoye Savadhana Mate Jahara Prasade Bhai Bhavatori Yang Jaham Krishna Prapti Hoi Jaham Hoite. Shri Guru Gurumukha Padma Vakyam Chitete Koriyaikyam Aranam Koriho Mani Masham. That's the life and soul of a Sishya. There is no other desire, there is no other purpose in doing anything in life. The only purpose and the desire is Gurumukha Padma Vakya Chittete Koriyaki. Yeah. Arana Koriho Mane Asha. There is no other desire. No other desire to be living. It's just for Gurumukha Padma Vakya Chittete Koriyaki. Gurumukha Padma Vakyam Chitete Koriyaikyam Arana Koriho Mani Asham Shri Guru Charane Rati Aise Uttamam Gatim Jai Prasade Pure Sarva Asha. No going here and there. There is no searching here and there, because we know, we found that Shri Guru Charane Rati. That's all. Aise Uttama Gati. Perfect destination is reached from this spot. Period. Why searching here and there? What searching here and there? Nothing. Chakshudan dilo jai janma janme prabhu singh. Divya Jnana Hriday Prakashita. Prema Bhakti Jaha Hoite Avidya Vinasha Jate. Veda Gaya Hara Charito. Shri Guru Karuna Sindhu Adhama Janar Bandhu Lokanath Lokera Jivana. Ha Prabhu Koro Daya Deho More Pada Chayam. Ebijash Kushutri Bhuvana. Srila Prabhupada Patita Pavana. Gurudev Hoyilo Sharana. Jaya Prabhupadam, Jaya Prabhupadam, Jaya Prabhupadam, Srila Prabhupada. Jaya Guru Devam, Jaya Guru Devam, Jaya Guru Devam, Jaya Guru Devam. Shri Guru Pyo Namaha. Vancha kalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhubhyev cha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namaha. All the Vaishnavas are like desire fulfilling trees. Bowing down to all the Vaishnavas, taking the dust from the lotus feet of the Vaishnavas and dancing in joy. Vaishnavera padadhulim, tahe mora snana kelim, tarpan mora Vaishnavera nama, dhana mora nityananda, ati mora gaura chandra, prana mora Yugala Kishoram. Vrindaye Tulasi Devyaye Priyaye Kesavasya Cham Krishna Bhakti Prade Devi Satyavate Namo Namaha. The groves of Vrindavana, sacred groves of Vrindavana, the land of divine love. Oh, so difficult it is, right, to come this far. We have to do so much. We have to sweat so much and climb and climb and climb. And someday we will achieve this, right? No, no, no. The groves of Vrindavan are not achieved by climbing. And we are placed in the groves of Vrindavan, in the land of divine love. When we fall in love with a person who has love for Bhagavan, then they place us in these groves of Vrindavan. Tulasi Krishna Preyasi Namo Namo Radha Krishna Seva Pao Ei Abhilashi Eto Mara Sharanaloi Taravancha Purna Hoi Kripa Kori Koro Tari Vrindavan Vasi Moraye Abhilash Vilas Kunja Diyovas Nayane Hari Bosadham Yugala Ruparasi Eini Vedanadharo Sakiranugata Kurum Sevadhikaro Diyam Puruni Chadasim Dina Krishna Dase Hoi Eyena Morahu Shri Radha Govinda Prem Sadayena Basim. Falling in love falling in love with the person who is loving Bhagavan. Whoa, how can that happen to a conditioned soul? Conditioned soul doesn't even know what love means. Even that also have to come from the lover of God. But the thing is, when the conditioned soul, when the jiva starts looking at this Bhagavata, the lover of God, Premi Bhakta, and seeing what they are giving to us, oh Srila Prabhupada, so this is what you are giving me. When we actually see what is being given to us, when we come to senses to even know what is being given to us, when we start to honor, then that will be the beginning of honoring a Bhagavata, will be a beginning of falling in love with Bhagavata. And then slowly, then the honoring of the Nama will also be done. And then slowly. That's what will bring us to the groves of Vrindavana. Yani kani cha papani brahmahatyadikani cha tani tani pranashyanti pradakshina pade pade. So what we heard from Sri Bhagavan Vacha in Bhagavad Gita is about this. Bhagavad Gita is FYI. These are all the routes. Oh Jiva, these are all the routes for you. But same Bhagavan, when he has become so merciful and thought, this pitiful Jiva can't really decide anything. What can it understand? Let me go and make the job easy for Jiva. He comes as Sri Krishna Chaitanya Bhagavan and says, okay, Jiva, you are in this Kali Yuga now. Let me tell you what you need to do. Cheto darpanamarchanam bhavamahadavagni nirvapanam shreya airava chandrika vitaranam vidyavadhu jivanam anandambudhivartanam pratipadam purnamrita swadanam sarvatmasnapanam param vijayate Sri Krishna Sankirtanam. So, even to hear this message of Krishna Chaitanya,